to buy unofficial Donald Trump token. So this token came under the symbol of Donald. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a full code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral codes. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So as you can see, before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following their updates about this token, and check their Telegram channel. They included it too on the REFERRAL account. As you can see, this token, it's available on the screener. It's created by 20 hours ago and increased by 267% in the last 24 hours and by 9% in the last 5 minutes. The liquidity here unlocked by 9%. That's good. That's meaning investment in a safe place. And this token, it's trending number 4 right now on the screener. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. And as you can see, this token address, it's under this network. Open your financial wallet for that. Now click on swap here. Now make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Click here and paste the token address, as you can see. So this is our token. Click on it. After that, type how much you want to buy. And as you can see, this is how much you receive that token. After that, select the provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here. And after that, click on swap. And after that, you will be able to redirect to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now, after that, if you face an issue, just go back to this page and switch the slippage from here or custom it, because the most of issues came from the slippage. So after that, you will be able to buy this token without any issue. And this is how to buy a Donald token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.